Good evening, Thrivers. This is Shivangi. I hope you're doing well. I have a piece of excellent news for you. We're going to launch as Thrive Switzerland a series of workshops. We're going to start with the Strength Finder workshop. The great thing about these workshops are they are open to all Thrivers in Switzerland. The Strength Finder workshop will be run by two strength coaches that are both Thrive mentors, Antje Bauer and Claudia Reine. They will be running these workshops on the 25th of October in Zurich and on the 1st of November in Basel. You will hear much more information, and you will get all of that in the email that is going with this particular message. What I would love to reiterate is that as a Thriver, for all the attendees of these workshops, we will be more than happy to give you, to offer you the Strength Finder code. I hope to see many of you in these places. I really hope to attend both of these too. See you soon and have a lovely evening. Bye.